I want to buy a property, but where can I buy a property from? If you ever wondered about this question, stay tuned. Hello everyone, this is Kenny here from Property Stories, a channel where we discuss everything about real estate to help you make an informed decision. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel for more contents like this. And if you have not smashed the like button, do smash the like button so that more people can see this video. If you have not got my book link, I link it down below together with all the equipments I use for this video. Clicking the links below are my affiliate links, so I may get a small commission from all this, okay, to support the channel. Thank you so much. So we go to this video for today, where I'm going to share with you about where you can buy properties. In general, there's two types of market. Number one is the primary market. Number two is the secondary market. Primary market implies that these properties are direct from the source, which is the developer. Okay, properties like this that are sold to you is usually under construction properties, where it takes about 3 to 4 years to complete if it's a high rise, or 2 to 3 years to complete if it's a landed property. Okay, but the source is still the same from developer. Even the overhang units that is unsold is still a primary market property. It will be counted as primary market purchase. Number two, secondary market. Secondary market implies here that properties are completed. What it means by properties completed means they receive the CCC, Certificate of Compliance and Completion, which is, if you have older generation, you will know it as CF. That means the property is certified to be habitable. To be habitable means people can move in and stay. So you got a CCC. Then in this secondary market, you have another two sources to buy property. Number one, sub-sales market. Sub-sales market means you buy from another current owner. Another current owner who wants to leave, shift out or sell their property, you buy from them. That is sub-sales market. It's usually transacted by an agent. By an agent, when buy property, or you can, if you know the owner, you can do a deal by yourself, okay? That is the sub-sale market. The next one is called auction market. These auction market are usually done by the banks when the borrower defaults on their loan. So the bank has to recover back the money that is borrowed out, right? That's where they do an auction of these properties. And there's two types of auction also. There's another one is called a private auction, where they're done by a private auctioneer, a licensed auctioneer. It can be done, but it's rare to have this kind of auction. Most of the auctions that you see is online everywhere. It's actually the bank auction. So that's it for today about where you can buy properties. Remember, there's only two sources, primary or secondary, and there's three channels: developer, sub-sales, or auction. Okay, that's all for today, and I'll see you again in the next video. If you have any more questions with regards to property and financing, you're welcome to WhatsApp me or email me. I'll leave my email down below. Once again, this is Kenny here from Property Stories. I'll see you again next video. Bye bye.